if you want to learn how I turned a regular wall into a dream wall, stay tuned. Okay, so the items I used to create the wall were styrofoam boards. I bought 6 of these from Dollar Tree just to make sure I had enough. So now I'm going to go in with my spray paint. I picked these 3 colors to create an ombre effect. So as I spray the boards, I spray it from a distance because I heard if you get too close from spraying paint on styrofoam, it melts it. So I'm just making sure I spray from a distance and keep that from happening. So I sprayed the top of the board that sky blue color, and towards the bottom I'm beginning to spray the pink on top of the blue. I'm making sure I'm doing small strokes of the pink on top. If I do it too hard, it won't give it that ombre look that I'm going for. Now I'm moving the top boards to dry, and I'm going to add the last 2 boards to combine the pink and purple to create the ombre. Y'all, so spray painting the boards are super easy and they dry super fast too. But the only thing I suggest is make sure you guys do it outside. I was spray painting the boards in this back room at the house that's connected to outside. But it ended up sneaking in the house and it smelled like spray paint for 2 days. So make sure y'all do it outside and not be like me. Okay, so these are how the boards look. I thought I did a really good job and it came out perfect. So now I'm just looking at how I want the boards to lay on the wall, and I use command poster strips. I got these from Walmart and I bought 4 packs of these. These strips are good for hanging and sticking stuff on the wall without tearing the paint. So I'm just adding the stickers on each of the boards. Alright, so now I'm going in to stick the boards on the wall. I'm also making sure I line them up close enough so it won't be any gaps. That's my friend, y'all, too. That's Trey. He came to help me create this dream wall I had visioned. After hanging them, I got a mannequin stand to see if the boards were wide enough without the white wall showing, but of course we could see it. So I had to go back to Dollar Tree and purchase 3 more boards to make it wider.
1 week later.
So this is the next week and I added 3 more boards to the wall, and now I'm about to create the clouds. I bought 6 or 7 styrofoam balls and some box cutters. I thought it was really smart to buy styrofoam balls and cut them in half to lay flat on the board. This gave me a lot more pieces to work with and it made it easier to lay flat. As y'all see, I'm just cutting them, and this process wasn't too bad. It just took a little second to break them in half, but if you have a big knife or a better box cutter, it won't be a problem. Okay, so these are the balls cut in half, and make sure you guys buy them in different sizes just so it can help define the cloud look. So now I'm using Gorilla Construction adhesive glue. I'm just spreading it around the styrofoam. This is perfect for sticking mirrors, wood, styrofoam to anything you glue to it. And y'all, I had to buy 2 of these. I used up both of the glues and it really helped it stick.
Perfect.
I'm just going in, gluing the styrofoams to the wall, making sure they stick. Also, y'all, I literally went to Home Depot and looked at all the glue options they had, and I thought this glue would work perfect, and it did. Y'all can use whatever glue you think will work good with styrofoam. I just thought this would do the job I needed to do. Okay, so these are all the balls I glued to the wall, and now I'm going in with my LED strips to lay across some of the balls. They also came with some stickers. They have hooks on them so the lights can lay on them. While laying the lights on the balls, I used the stickers they provided with them. I just stick the hooks on the balls and made sure the lights went through each of them. I eventually ran out and started to use tape to stick them together. This part was a little difficult. I just had them laying anyway. I wanted to make sure each ball was covered in lights and wasn't too obvious to see. So I only had enough for the middle section, but it was cool. I worked with what I had. Okay, so I did do a test runs and all the lights are working perfect. So now to create the clouds, I use fiber fill. I purchased this from Walmart and this is used for stuffing pillows and it's perfect for creating clouds.
Perfect. Perfect.
So I used a hot glue gun to stick the filler on the styrofoam. This worked perfect. The glue helped the filler stay on the styrofoam with no problems. I also only used one pack of this. I bought two, but didn't need it. I still had some leftovers in the first pack. So one pack is good enough, you guys. Only get one pack. While gluing them on, I made sure I didn't get any hot glue on the lights. I just went around it and kept gluing and was just very careful. So right here, I just placed the glue on the wall to hide the lights, but I made sure none of the glue was touching the lights. Creating this cloud was a little time consuming. I made sure I had enough glue on the wall and enough filler to stick on it. I also fluffed them out to give them more volume and a fuller look, as if it was an actual cloud. But as I got the hang of it, I started to move faster to cover the walls. Okay, so this is the final look of the cloud, y'all, and it looks so real. So now I'm going in to use my butterfly stickers. I bought these off of Amazon. They were really easy to break apart, and when I bent the wings, it gave the butterfly that 3D look I wanted. Also, they came with stickers, and they are double-sided, and that actually made the process go by quicker and easier for me. So now I'm just placing the butterflies in random spots that I thought it would look cute in, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with some rhinestones I bought from Michael's. These were really cheap. I only paid $2, but this made the board pop. Also, sadly, I ran out of hot glue and I didn't have any super glue, Gorilla Glue, or even school glue. So you know what I did? I got a bottle of lash glue and stick them on. Y'all, this works like any other glue, so don't be judging me. So yeah, I just placed them on everywhere and this is the final look, you guys. I'm so in love. This project was something I just created off the top of my head. I never seen it before. I wanted to be really creative. This is actually for my hair company business. I wanted to have a background to broadcast, you know, the hair that I'm trying to sell, and I thought this was perfect. These are the lights as they're on, and it just gave it that extra pop. Like, this project was amazing. But yeah, you guys, this is practically the end of the video. I hope I explained everything well for you guys to understand and, you know, try to create on your own. I also make sure I drop all the products I use, the different links to the items I bought online to you guys. I'll drop all that in the description box. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.